Welcome to another DIY project that you can do it yourself. This time we are talking about a simple upgrade that you only need to do it once and it can benefit your families for many years. If you have ever used LED light bulb on your garage door opener, you know there is a problem. It doesn't work because of the radio signal interference. I have talked about it in another video. I will post the link in the description. CFL works fine for me. I have been using them for many years, but the problem is it doesn't give you instant brightness, and they died very quickly. Of course, everyone knows incandescent is not very energy efficient, so let's forget about that. No matter which type you use, each time you open and close your garage door, the vibration shortens the life of your light bulb. I am going to show you how to solve all these problems and make your garage extremely bright. Okay, let's get started. I have this chamberlain belt drive opener. Nothing fancy, it works. I have two of them since I have a double garage. First, you open this plastic cover just like you normally do when you change your light bulb. In my case, I am removing the CFL by unscrewing it counterclockwise. Next, you need to buy this light socket adapters from your local hardware store. This turns the light socket into a pluggable one. For those who are in Canada, do not buy this from Home Depot. You will get ripped off so badly. They sell it for $4.10 each, but at Canadian Tire, you can get a pack of 2 for $3.79. Same manufacturer, same socket. That's unbelievable. All you have to do is to screw this into the socket. Now it is ready to plug in any third-party light fixture. There is a very interesting label here. It says maximum 100 watt for incandescent light bulbs, but only 26 watt for CFL. That does not even make any sense. It doesn't say anything about LED. I am going to install the LED light fixture exceeding 26 watt. The one I bought was rated at 30 watt. When you choose your light fixture, there are a couple of points. Choose the LED one so that you don't have to change the light bulb, and it will last for many years. Make sure it gives you full brightness when it starts. If you live in the freezing area like I do, you need one that is able to start in the cold. The keyword you're looking for is LED Shoplight. Oh, I forgot to mention, get the one with the plug, so you can just plug and play. Don't get the one you need to do any wiring. For this particular model, it doesn't even come with a power switch, but for this project, we don't really care. Mine is 3 feet long with light temperature at 4000 K. It should be very bright. Let's install the LED lights. I am using the laser leveling tool to help me. DIY job needs to get professional quality too. That's how you get a straight line on the ceiling. Always make it as a habit to read the menu, even though this is a very simple task. Next, I am using this drywall anchor to secure it to the ceiling. They claim to hold 52 pounds. I needed to use this special cable tie called mounting ties because the LED lights comes with a steel cable. I could not directly attach it to the drywall anchor. This is my solution. All you have to do is to slide the cable in, tighten it. There you go. Looking good. We can now plug it in and also tidy up the cable. I secure it to the metal bracket. Pretty neat. There is one important step you need to do. If you don't do this, your light flickers when you open or close the garage door because of the vibration. All you have to do is to get the glue gun and apply some glue to the joint. You only need to do this on one side. That's good enough. Now all of them are done. Let's see what happens. Whoa, look at that. It's bright. That's fantastic. The total cost of this project is less than $100 Canadian. It is not too bad, honestly, because you only need to do it once and forget it. Every time you open or close the garage door, it lights up. Of course, you can manually switch it on or off on your garage door control panel. My Chamberlain actually comes with motion sensors too. I told my friend about this upgrade. He did it and thanked me for such a good idea. I hope I can inspire you and give you some ideas to light up your garage. Give it a thumbs up if you think this video is helpful. If you love DIY and home improvement, you may want to check out other videos on my channel. Remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.